Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Finally a nice big move in Bitcoin, getting out of our major previous highs and the major resistance. Temporary pause at the 6657 level, then actually blowing through. This shows it's actually this is a nice stronger market, then pulling back just below the 12.5% retracement from this up move, enabling us to move from the reverse Gann box to a forward Gann box. Now we're going to do this from the very beginning, which gives us the big levels. You can also use some shorter term levels. A nice pausing bar. Next move up 68.70, then 69.56. I'd say 69.30 to 69.56 cluster in here. Key, if we do pull back, right now we'll be watching the flat 200, the rising 8, and the 25% pullback. So we're right about 66.32 to 66.13 area. First key level support. Next level support I'd be watching would be 65.28 if we retraced farther than that. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart finally. Nice move above the daily rotation zone. So all of that was resistance. This is kind of breakout move we like. Didn't even pause at the 50. Let's just take a look at the bigger picture also. Now this up here at this 69.50 area also we have some prior support here turning into resistance. So these are definitely areas to move up your stops on. Switching over to Ethereum. Again, blew through that we were watching for about this 221 level, blew through it, pulled back nicely to it, sort of moved sideways, let the 8 catch up, 8 pushing the price exploding higher. Can remove this level. Next key thing was you could go to this prior level, and you could even go all the way back to the beginning. If you went to the beginning, let me just show you. That gave you a really nice cluster here, right with the declining 200, about 247, 248. We spiked just above her. That is great, or was a great place to move up your stops. Still is if you see this video in a timely manner. Right now, we can even come up here. That's going to give us a bigger levels. Then we can also come from the start of this last move to give us the smaller levels and see what this is. Let me just move up this retracement again, because this is not official on the retracement level yet because we don't have a pausing bar. Just trying to give an example. So 12.5% pullback would be about 240 right now. 25% pullback with the rising 8s coming in at 230. That's the critical level I'd be watching for a pullback. And then 37.5 is at the bottom of the rotation zone, about 218, 219 cluster area in there. So this isn't giving us a lot of really strong clusters yet up there. Let me go to the bigger picture levels. So bigger picture levels, 261 and then 269 to 271 are your next major targets higher. Let's switch over to that daily chart though to check everything out. So finally above the rotation zone right now. See, we really exploded through there just like as in Bitcoin. This 269 to 271 level is going to be very key. Would not ignore this for profit taking or for moving up stops, because this is a lot of prior support becoming resistance. You have the retracement level and the Gann level, and then slightly above that, keep watching for the 52 decline in there. But if we did rally through that, the next target would be 280. It's pretty much all we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.